Täsch. Liking the campsite. Great location, really close to town. So I'm just going to go and find some information now. I'm going to get a 3-day pass for the trains and chairlifts, gondolas and all the other attractions they have here. And here's the town. Kiss and ride.
You do take me to some funny places.
There's Katie all parked up at the edge of the campsite on our bikes, just about to go into Zermatt, have a look around and see what else I can see there. Got some train tickets now, but they're not valid until tomorrow, so see where the bikes take us. I thought it was a nice gentle cycle path into Zermatt. It's a really hard climb. There's Katie! Up at the crack of dawn, we're going to go up to the highest point we can get to today, the Ice Palace. Up there, clear skies, so that's good. Up recycling.
Blurry eyes.
Freezing cold. 7:55 to Zermatt. Made it on time. We're up there. Our campsite. Let's see if we can see our motorhome. There she is.
Sorry, I just get a bit panicked.
This is high. Matterhorn here. Over there. Mont Blanc, Chamonix. And this is Switzerland. It's nice, it's actually hot.
Honestly, you think I'm so wet behind my ears.
You're too old for this. Oh my god, oh my god. It's really fast.
Oh my god.
Taking a walk down now rather than going on the cable car.
Okay.
very lunar type landscape. It's about a 2-hour walk, it says on the sign, to Schwarzy, where we'll get back on the cable car and down into Zermatt. Quite nice, you can see the reflection of the Matterhorn in the lake. This is my contribution. You watch it fall over. Walking uphill at altitude is not easy. We're at about 9,000 feet, 3 times the height of Snowdon, and there's not much oxygen in the air. Oh. That's the way home. We decided to take a detour, see how far up the Matterhorn we can get. Higher and higher we go, closer and closer to the Matterhorn. Less and less oxygen. We're nearly there. Oh, didn't even make it all the way up here. But we're going to. View of the Matterhorn. Didn't really expect to get this close on this holiday, but these things happen.
Do you when you win the monster?
Heading down now, just a quick break at the top, 10 minutes. Now heading for the gondola, because I don't want to have to walk all the way into Zermatt. You can pick up a gondola about halfway down. Never been to the Grand Canyon, but I would imagine this is what it feels like. Lots of twisty paths winding their way down to the bottom. That is Zermatt. All done now. Heading back down, find a copy somewhere.
Oh, I can't believe there's been no coffees on there.
No coffee.